NaJae back here with another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm back now. And this video is going to be about January's promo this month for Young Living Essential Oils. If you spend 100 PV, you will receive a 5 milliliter bottle of diagnose Vitality. And you would be saving $18.42. If you spend 190 PV, the retail value is $77.96. So you'll get a 30 CT Life 9. Those are the Young Living supplements that they have. That's one of the many they have. A bonus ER. They'll also be giving away 15 milliliter bottle of Citrus Fresh essential oil, which is really good and it smells really good. A bonus ER of 5 milliliter diagnose Vitality as well. So if you were to spend 190 PV, you get those 3 products for free on top of the products that you have for your ER reward month. 250 PV, the retail value that you'll be saving is $126.32. And with that, it comes with a 15 milliliter bottle of Longevity, 30 CT for the Life 9 supplements, the bonus ER of the 15 milliliter bottle of Citrus Fresh, and the 5 milliliter diagnose Vitality oil. If you spend 300 PV, the retail value is $100. It's $174.02. So 5 milliliter bottle of Panaway. And Panaway is really good, especially if you're in pain. So if you see the bottle, you'll see it pretty much speaks for itself. I used it when I had really bad lower back pains. And ever since I've had that oil, I've never really had any back pains anymore. But you have to try it to believe me. 15 milliliter bottle of Longevity. It says they, excuse me. They recommend, Young Living recommends, you can add it to your morning skincare routine to promote youthful looking skin. So, I think I'm going to try that. The Life 9 supplements, that's one of the many Young Living do have in out of their products. It supports healthy digestion, so if you take it, if you take it daily to support your healthy immune system, okay? The 15 milliliter bottle of Citrus Fresh, you can diffuse it in the morning to create a focused environment, or you can add a few drops to water and spray on linens and laundry for its fresh scent. I love diffusing it. I've never put it on my linens, but the smell of Citrus Fresh is really uplifting, and it just smells really good. So I kind of use it a lot. I don't have any more, so I think I should get some. And then the 5 milliliter bottle of diagnose Vitality. If you guys have seen my video, I think I've spoken about diagnose, and that one is one of my favorites as well, because if you feel bloated, or you know, if you have like an upset stomach, it's kind of like peppermint, but I think it works quicker than peppermint, honestly, and I like the smell of it. And you just rub it on where the area is bothering the most, and within 5 to 10 minutes, I'm telling you, you'll feel so much better. Young Living, recommends if you're more of a night owl than a morning person, you can wake up and add diagnose Vitality to your herbal tea with honey to support your digestive system. And you can also use it as a supplement when you're giving new foods a go. So that's pretty good. Like I said, I've used diagnose Vitality. I've used Citrus Fresh, Panaway, and I think that's it. I want to try their supplements, so maybe that'll be my next product that I get in the mail. But that's it. Those are the free products that you'll get this month for your Central Awards. If you want to know how to get these free products, just leave me a comment down below, or you can message me, and I'll definitely share with you on how to get started, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.